Hello, bro. Today I'm going to show you how to use our applications to do the setting and the configuration for the anti-collision system. Okay, so now first thing you need to get the applications. For example, I'm using the App Store to download the one which is the OpenOPS. The name of the software is OpenOPS. We will send you, and you need to open this one and connect this phone with this device by using the Wi-Fi. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to power the device on, so we can connect the phone to this Wi-Fi and do the configurations. So first thing, this way, we power the device on. This is the power supply. We power the device on. We wait for seconds. Okay, wait for seconds. Then we need to go to the Wi-Fi. Wireless setting. We wait until we got the Wi-Fi name we want. Yes, yes. So we're waiting for the Wi-Fi name here. If the name would be Wi-Fi test or Wi-Fi 123 with some digits, some name there, you can check it. I will show you later. So for this machine, the Wi-Fi name is Wi-Fi test. Let's just wait. You can see now it appeared. Wi-Fi test. So we connect it. The password is 12345678. And we join. We need to wait until this Wi-Fi is connected. Then we can open the software to do the setting. Okay, now we go to the OpenOPS. This is the software we're going to use. If the language you see is not English, then we need to go to this place to select the English, the language you want. This is English. Click OK. Click OK, then we start and we open again. Because we have connected the device by using the Wi-Fi. We click login. You can see if the device has the online function, it means that it can communicate to our server. This is the server status, this is the network status, this is the network info, this is the storage info, this is the GPS module. But we integrated the GPS module into this alarm, which can get a better signal, positioning signal. Okay, so just ignore this one. And when you see the notification, this wireless network is not connected to network, but you will choose keep trying wireless. Okay, maintain the connections. Okay, this is the basic information. The GPS module is inside, and it will not show the GPS data here. So just ignore this one. And we go to the monitoring, we can see different channels. You can see channel 1, channel 2. It means that how many camera you have into your machine. It has how many channels. For example, basically we're not going to do any setting for this one. We're not going to do any setting. We're only going to do setting on algorithm setting. Okay? Actually, there are only like several settings. The first one is BSD. The second one is DMS. Okay? DMS, the driver behavior monitoring, something like that. Okay? But the most common setting is the BSD. You can set the zone you detect here. You can drag it. You can draw the picture you want. Then you can choose the area you want to get alarm. Okay. And the sensitivity, we usually use the low. Low is enough for detecting the pedestrian. Okay. And the quick actions for this BSD, because we are all doing the same installation, so we use the from. We all use the from setting. Okay. You use the from setting. Yes, you see. So we can do the setting here. We can do the setting here, something like this. Then we click save. But if we don't want this area, we click restore. Okay. You can check again. We can just click action, then it will be like reset to the former one. Then if you have the DMS functions, you will choose DMS. Okay, this is the DMS activity you can check. And also the facial ID you can enable here if you want to check use the camera as the DMS. But you need to order the module with DMS functions. Okay, so mostly we're using BSD. So 4 channels they're all the same. BSD, low, from, and this second one, third one. For each one you need to save before going to next one. For third one, BSD, low, from, save. So we will reboot now. So we reboot to take. You see, we need to reboot the device sometime after the setting. So the machine will be all rebooted because we set the BSD camera to be the DMS function, or set the DMS function one to the BSD one. So you need to restart the system. You can see that. Okay, when it's restarted, we need to connect with the Wi-Fi again. You see, we wait until we got the Wi-Fi again. We just wait. Wait the Wi-Fi test. Here. Connected. OPS. Reboot it. Okay. So if you are not sure if it's okay, you can just log out and then log in again. Something like this. Then, after setting all this like monitoring, you can also see the play outlet here. Playback here. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. For example, this one, you can see channel 1. You can see this the playback. Okay, you can choose here. And this is the forklift configurations. And mostly we will set the module before delivery. For example, the one we set it to you is 4 BSD or 2 BSD or 3 BSD. It's all here. It's all here. You can select the module you want. And the volume of the alarm for this alarm, you can save it. You can increase it. Then it will be very loud. Okay. Warning speed is the pre-warming speed. It means that it will not limit the speed, but you keep it warming. You are about to speeding. And this one, the speed limit is the one when you hit this limit, it will limit your speed. Okay. And this one, wire diameter, is the one which we can calibrate the speed between the forklift and the machine. We will do the calibration of the speed. So usually you just measure the wire diameters and put it here, and it's going to be working. The overspin lock, it means that if you're keeping overspin for how many seconds, it will lock the card until you unlock it. And the offset stop, it means that, if the driver just leave the seat and then he's not coming back in the short period of time, we keep the alarm or lock. Okay. Control release, something like this is so the setting, there are a lot of things, but most of the part we set is like this. Server configuration and the main media servers, this is the part we are going to do. not from your site, not from customer site. And we go to setting. This one online configuration, we will set it before delivery. Activate safety is for DMS setting. It's also we will set here. And this one, if you want to do a new registration for the drivers, you can do add drivers, and then you can take the pictures of your own face, use photo. Then it can be, you see the username, something like you can do the registration, then you can use your face to log into the system if you have the DMS function. Okay, it has the facial recognition functions. But for this time, we're not going to use it first. Device control, usually we're just using reboot and the factory reset. Okay, we're using only these two buttons. This one, system configuration, we will change the language to be English or time zone to be your country time zone. Okay, so that's the basic introduction of the applications. Thank you.